She's separating the palm nut, that's the palm kernel, from the, I don't know what to call this thing. This is the red part.
Average.
Average, I don't know what it's called in English. Yeah, but just it's been pounded so much. I couldn't go with them to the refinery. I will be calling it a refinery because they left very early. Ha nwere igwe akwụ.
Deputy governor nwere n'igwe akwụ. La mbe nwanne nwanyị, mbe Mosta. Ebe aka ihe niile zuru ezu. Ilele engine nke a, ya the best engine.
Maso ebe a okay, apịta ya before we bịa wepụwa akụ. Ah. Ọ bụ anyị nke eji aka apị, a na-ewefucha akụ ka o wee pịkọọ ọfụma. Ịma na aka ka ha ji apịa, ịma na akụ dịcha n'ime na-apị ọ ya ha apịcha ọfụma.
Ọ dị ha apịcha ma ọ dị ekwe na ọbịa. Ọ dị aka anyị si apị nke eji aka apị, mana nke na onye engine.
So everything from the palm tree does not go to waste. This thing, she will use it to make local candles. I'll show you the candles.
Thank you.
It's called urioku. Nothing goes to waste. Okay, it's even here. Okay. Don't worry, Mom just said here. See the oil from all those palm fruits that I showed you. This oil came from all those. This one, and then this one is like about here. It looks black, but it's actually red. It's because it's still very hot. That's why it's this color. It looks black, but later it will become red. Wow! I see the one in the pot as well. Madre mia! See the local candle here. You put a stick inside. You see, there's a stick inside. There's one stick, long stick, and then they start pressing it. Okay, you have to go there for 1 week. So when you light this, you can use it to use matches to get light. In those days, you can use this to go to your neighbor's house. If your neighbor has started cooking, you use this, go to their house, get a, it's like, you know, in those traditional bonfire nights, this is the kind of thing that they use. And then you go to your neighbor's house, use this to get light, and then come and light your own. Let me show you the palm kernels down there. See the palm kernels. Spread it out here in the sun and it will dry up. When it's dry, then you can crack it and eat. You can use it to make palm kernel oil. Like you crack it, use the nut inside it to make palm kernel oil, the one that is bad for you, because palm kernel oil is over processed, cooked at high temperatures, so no nutrient is left in there. So red palm oil is good for you, but palm kernel oil is not good for you. We use palm kernel oil to make soap, yeah, for other things as lubricants, but we don't use it to cook anything. I'm cooking soup. I'm using beef and stockfish head. My mother-in-law has uziza plants growing in her backyard. Look at it climbing the tree. See this thing here is the uziza. Sorry about that, mama. But what time I can buy hard. Chopper maybe. You see it? Look at it. Very fresh. This one is bitter leaves. This one. Bitter leaf. This one, the climbing one that's climbing this tree. This one is the uziza. Alright, so I'm going to get some for my egusi soup. Egusi soup bubbling over here. This one is tomatoes for tomato stew. Ooh. The soup is done. Somebody bring apple, semo, wheat, anyone you're eating. Cabbage fufu, eggplant fufu, boboti. Done. Yummy. I added uziza and bitter leaves. See how she's making the candle. See how she's making it. They'll first of all pound it to make it very soft. Ma, how many days can you handle?
3 days.
3 days. It has been here for 3 days in the pan where she put it. In this pan. It has been here for 3 days. And today, because she's bored, she told me it will be there for 1 week, but today she said she's bored, so she checked it and she saw that it's okay for her to start molding it. So you first of all pound it very well to make it more malleable, and then she will start putting it on the stick. And dry it. This is the one she has finished making, this long one. After that, she put it in the sun to dry. They spread it out here to dry. The generator is on, so much noise. You see? I hope you're enjoying my village life. Here's that corn I showed you the other day. About 1 week later. You see the big ones that are still bigger. You see the small ones over there. But these big ones, I don't know what is eating them. Pests are eating them. You see the leaves. Very soon they will start producing corn. This is breadfruit, still with the skin. I'm going to parboil it, remove the skin, then we can eat it. We can enjoy. Mokwi mana mmiri na chizo. Maka ụkwa na ịgbasara ebe mmiri na achọkwa izu. This is breadfruit. My mother-in-law went to one place this morning to peel it. You can see that it's peeled, but the peels are still there. So we're going to sort it. This is a lot of work. This is all the work that goes towards preparing your okwa, the okwa you eat. So we're going to sort it, separate the peels from the okwa, and then she will dry it. Missing it, Nayaman see ufodo. I see where the okwa first too. Half go into obodo ibo. Half let the obodo ibo. I go to fresh okwa biko. Can be a jam pocket and you go to azu aye ju see. You water go. Ukwo ukworu kezi ọka mana kwa me like nke etinyela ọka biko ọ dị m na like nke etinyela ọka ọka na-emebiri m ụkwa biko mana mme wetakwa ukworu unu chọọ ka etinye na nke unu mana na m etinye na nke m. So you get the okwa with the peels and rub it. And then you blow. Toss. Blow it, toss. Then, when it gets to this point, you can no longer blow because the peels don't go to one side anymore. So you start picking it one by one. Start picking it one by one. It's a lot of work. Start picking it one by one, though. It's a lot of work. So next time you buy dry okra, have a little bit of respect for the hard work that went into getting it to that stage. See, already cleaned ones. This is the breadfruit. I've been so busy today and I'm about to go somewhere now, so no time to cook it. And my mother-in-law decided to dry it in the intense sun. It's so hot right now. So from that, it's already drying up. You can hear the crispy sound. If you don't dry it immediately, it will turn green the next day. So we are going to my mother-in-law's mom's place or your place. We're going to see my husband's grandma, yeah, in the neighboring town. Mama, Becky Ledger. Mbuno. Hey, Igangurara. So yeah, my mother-in-law, we're going to her place. Since I came back, I've not been able to go and see her mom. Yeah, so that's where we're going. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Matilda seat belt. But you but Dotia with Ike really. Ike Jagaleba.
Okay.
Otu ihe karịa ọwụrụ n'aka Jehova nke a ka m na-achọ ọ bụ ka m biri n'ụlọ Jehova ụbọchị niile nke ndụ m ịhụ ịdị ụtọ Jehova na ịjụta ihe n'ụlọ ukwu ya n'ihi na ọ ga-edebe m na nzuzo n'ụlọ ụtọ ya n'ụbọchị ihe ọjọọ ọ ga-ezobe m n'ebe nzuzo nke ụlọ ekwu ya n'oke nkume ka ọ ga-ebuli m